Now, in this video lecture, we shall discuss about the indefinite article an and the definite article the. First, an is used before a singular noun which begins with a vowel a, e, I, o, u. For example, an axe, an owl, an eye. Next, the article an is used before a word that does not begin with a vowel but has a vowel sound. For example, an hour, an honest man. Here, the letter H is silent. Therefore, we have a vowel sound. So, there we use an before it. An may also be used before individual letters spoken with a vowel sound. For example, an MP, an SP, an MLA. Here the letters are consonant. For example, M, S, N, M. But the sound is of EM. So here we can say that an MP, an SP, an MLA. Now we shall discuss the uses of the definite article the. The is called a definite article because it points out some definite or particular person or thing. For example, first, the doctor gave the medicine for flu. She read the book on reptiles. Here, the medicine and the book are specified. Medicine for flu and book on reptiles. So, before them, what we have done? We use the article the. We use the article the before the names of oceans, rivers, seas, desert, names of some well-known books, islands, mountain ranges, newspapers, and ordinal numbers. For example, like the Sahara Desert, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Times of India, and the first Indian. The is used when we speak of a particular person or thing or the one already mentioned. For example, like shut the door of the bedroom, call the boy in the room. We use the when a noun which is singular in number but is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the lion is the king of the jungle. The peacock is our national bird. Here, the lion implies the whole class of lion, and the peacock also implies the whole class of peacock bird. So here, what we have done? We use the article the before them. Next, the article the is used before the names of things unique in their kind. For example, the sun rises in the east, the moon shines at night. Here, the sun, the moon are one of their kind. Next, we use the article the with those adjectives that are used as nouns. For example, the rich are not always happy. The poor also have self-respect. Here, the word rich and poor are adjectives, but they represent a person here. The rich, the poor person. Da is used with phrases that specify a person or object. For example, the first house, the next station. The article da is also used before a proper noun preceded by an adjective. For example, the great Lata Mangeshkar, the Mrs. Sharma you met yesterday. The article da is also used before a common noun to give it the meaning of an abstract noun. For example, at last the teacher in her was stirred. Students, one more thing also, we can use the article da before superlatives in order to express the highest degree of something. As for example, like he is the worst boy in the class. Next, this is the best book on English grammar.